This is the installation package of the printer. You can get it on the silver flash disk. Now follow what I'm doing to install the software. Installation succeeds. Then we get this software. Continue to watch next step to know how to open the software. You have to open both Print earsy or Print software with administrator, or software may can't be opened. We need to connect the printer to the computer. Please open the Print software. You can see they have a red icon flashing. It's proving the printer disconnect the computer. Before we set the computer, please make sure the printer is on and network cable is plugged to both the computer and the printer. Now stick with me to change the IP for your computer. As you get this interface, please according the video show to type IP down. As you are complete, click OK to save. Go back this software, and now the icon keeps green line proving succeed to connect the computer. We can get this drive file from the flash disk we provide or from technician. Open the Print software and look at top left corner. Click this Chinese, left click printer setting, click custom printer, and because you place the driver on the desktop, and now we click desktop to get it. Please find the driver file depends on the position where you place it. Showing this driver is proving succeed to install.